Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm a technical support engineer with Zoho. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of the Zoho CRM mobile app and its features. With the CRM mobile app, you can easily run your business and stay productive even when you are away from your computer. These are the topics that I'll be covering in this video. I will also be walking you through the modules, features, and the settings of the CRM mobile app. By the end of this video, you will have an overall understanding of how to use the mobile app and the features that are available. Now, let's start with the introduction. CRM or Customer Relationship Management is a software designed for the sales and marketing teams of an organization to acquire new customers and maintain a good relationship with the existing customers. Zoho CRM is a cloud-based software that ensures the communication you have with your customers goes smoothly and efficiently. Also, Zoho CRM helps in managing your customer-related information in an efficient manner. Zoho CRM is easy to use and does not overload the employees of your organization with complex functionalities. Rather, it helps you to create effective processes and automate the routine ones that you already have. It supports sales management, marketing, customer service, and it will streamline your entire business process in a single platform. Now, let's dive into the Zoho CRM mobile app. The Zoho CRM mobile app is a powerful tool designed for smartphones and tablets. Think of it as your personal assistant to help you with your day-to-day activities. With the mobile CRM, your sales team can have immediate access to critical information at the exact time they need it. No matter where they are, Zoho Mobile CRM allows the sales reps to stay connected, access account information, view customer purchase history, log activities, and much more. To get started with the CRM app, you can download the application from the App Store or the Play Store. After that, you can open the CRM app and enter your CRM account's credentials and log in using the sign in button. You can also create your new CRM account right from the login screen by tapping the sign up button at the bottom. I will be walking you through the features in the CRM iOS app. These features are similar and available in its Android counterpart as well. Once you log in, you will be taken to the home screen of the application. The home screen has your activities for the day listed. It will give you a glimpse of what needs to be covered on any given day. Activities are basically your tasks that you have to carry out, meetings that you have to conduct, and the calls that you have to make to your prospects. You can also create a new task, schedule a new meeting, or schedule a call to one of your customers right from the home screen of the app by tapping the plus icon at the right hand side. You can navigate between the different days by using the calendar strip on top of the screen to check if you have any activities that are planned on those dates. If there are any activities on any given day, it will be indicated by a small dot below the date. From the home screen, you can also search for information across all the modules in the CRM app. Using the search option available at the top right corner, you can carry out a search. This option is called as the global search. That is, it displays results from all the modules no matter from where you search for it. Once you set the search criteria, the search results will be displayed accordingly. Another feature that helps make things simple for the sales reps is Zia. Zia is a conversational assistant and users can use Zia Voice or Zia Chat to get all the data they are looking for by simply sending out specific commands with Zia. Modules. What are modules? Your leads, contacts, accounts, etc. are referred to as modules in the CRM. At the bottom of the home screen, you will have your modules listed, and on the right corner, you will have the More option. This option is also called as the hamburger icon. Using this option, you can open up the modules listing screen. The order of these modules can be rearranged to suit your convenience. In the iOS app, you can tap the edit option at the top, and in the Android app, you can long press on a particular module and move it around. We will start off with the leads module, and I will walk you through the features and the actions that can be carried out within the leads module. All the features in the leads module, barring a few, will be available in the rest of the modules as well. Tapping the leads module icon will open up the leads listing screen. That is the screen where all your records or leads are listed. Now, let's look at how to create a lead. Once you are in the leads module, you can create leads by tapping the plus icon available at the top right corner. Tapping the plus icon, you will have two ways to create leads: add lead, and the other one is import from address book. Now let's look into the add lead option. Add lead. You can use this option to enter the information of the leads, such as the first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. manually as per your requirement, and you can add it to the leads module. You can also import leads from your device's address book using the import from address book option. This option is available only in the leads and the contacts module. You will be able to bulk import 100 leads at a time. Now, let's take a look at all the features that are available in the leads module. Once you open up a record, you will have the related section, email section, and the details section. In the related section, you will have notes, attachments, products, activities, and invited meetings. In the notes section, you can either add voice notes or text notes. In the attachment section, you can attach documents from Zoho Docs or attach files from the File app on your iPhone, or even scan documents and attach photographs as well. Similarly, you can add and view all the related information here. Right next to the related section, you will have the email section. In the email section, you will have all the emails that are sent to and received from that particular lead. And finally, you will have the details section. The details section will have all the information about the lead, such as the lead owner's name, the company in which the lead is working for, the name of the lead, and the address information of the lead, etc. Apart from this, you can also perform the following actions. That is, you can edit a record, send emails from the record, check into a particular record, locate the customer's location on the map using the map locator option, and you can also initiate phone calls right from the record itself. Now, let's discuss each of these options in detail. Edit the record. You can use this option to edit or make changes to a record by tapping the pencil icon at the top right corner, and you can edit all the fields right from here. Send emails. If the email address is available within the record, you can use the send email option at the bottom and send emails to your customers. You can also attach files by clicking the attach icon, and right beside the attach icon, you will see the template icon, and using this option, you can add template to your emails and send it to your customers. Check-in. Let's say you have reached one of your leads' location for a meeting. You can check in within the record. In this way, your colleagues will know that you have reached the client's location for the meeting. The check-in will be associated as a note record for the meeting. If there are no meetings, the app will prompt you to create a new meeting and check in. Map locator. Using this option, you can plot the address of the lead on the map, and the button will show up when the default address information fields are filled in within the record. Call. Right next to the map locator is the telephone icon. You can use this option to initiate phone calls from the CRM mobile app to your leads and log the call duration as a call record on the app. And right next to the call is the More option. Clicking the More option will display a list of actions such as export, delete, and the most importantly, the Convert option. Using this Convert option, you can convert a qualified lead into a contact and an account. All the options that I have mentioned here are pretty much the same and will be available for all the modules in the CRM app. Now that you know the options and the features that are within a record, let's move to the settings and the features within the records listing screen. Custom views. At the top of the records listing screen, you will have the custom views option. Custom views is a grouping of records based on a defined set of criteria. These views are beneficial for displaying records according to your business requirements. For example, you may be interested in following up with the leads created during the last week, or you may be interested in reviewing your overdue tasks, or you may want to filter out big deals. You can also define your own custom views as per your requirement on the desktop site, and the same can be accessed on the mobile app as well. Some predefined views are already available, such as all leads, converted leads, recently converted leads, etc. Nearby me. Let's say you're on the road and have just wrapped up a meeting with one of your clients and you still have some time to get back to the office. During this spare time, you can use the Nearby Me option to locate the potential customers around your current location, and you may drop in for a visit. Right beside the Custom View option, you can see the small map icon. This option is called as the Nearby Me Maps. Tapping this option will plot all the records near your current location on the map. Using the Near Me radius at the top, you can plot leads within the region up to 100 kilometers or miles. You can also long press on a specific region on the map and add a new record, and the same will show up in the records listing screen as well. You can also carry out a custom search by entering the city name or state name within the custom search feature that is available on top of the map view. For example, if you would like to know the contacts in a particular state, a simple custom search will plot the results on the map for you. Now, let's dive into the module specific settings. The module specific settings will be available at the top of every module in the CRM app. In the module settings, you will have the following sections: Group by, Sort, Search, Display Fields, Records, and Sync Desktop Settings. Group by. Let's say you want to get a quick look at the leads based on the lowest annual revenue. All you have to do is group them based on the annual revenue, and you will have a clear picture of the records with low annual revenue. Sort. Now that you have grouped the records based on the low annual revenue and you still want to narrow them down further and arrange them alphabetically, you can use the primary sort option and have them sorted alphabetically, or you can set your own criteria as per your requirement. You can go a step ahead and use the secondary sort if there are records with the same name. By default, grouping will take precedence over the sorting options. If there are 2 or more records with the same annual revenue, then the primary sort will come into play. Further to this, if the primary sort's criteria also fails, then the secondary sort will come into the picture. Search. On the CRM app, the results for your search will get displayed based on the criteria that you have set within the respective module specific settings. When the keyword entered in the search bar matches the criteria, then the results will show up within the app. You can set up to 4 fields as a criteria to look for records within each of the module. Display fields. The display fields lets you decide which field you would like to see displayed for a record in the records listing screen. With the display fields option, you can easily get a glimpse of the record before you even open the record to contact the lead. You can set up to 4 display fields for a respective module. Records. This option displays the number of records that are present in the CRM mobile app and the information on the last sync. Sync desktop settings. You can use this option to sync any changes that is made on the desktop site to show up on the mobile app. In case you have created a new custom field on the web, selecting this option will sync the changes from the web to the CRM app. Now that we have covered the settings within the leads module, we will touch up on a few more modules available in the app. Analytics. Analytics will give you a real-time snapshot of your organization's key metrics. Using analytics, you can easily visualize comparisons, marketing, patterns, trends in sales, and inventory related data. The analytical dashboards that you have created in the CRM account can be viewed by tapping the Analytics module on the CRM app. Feeds. Collaboration is an important aspect in business. When you need to finalize a deal or negotiate on the discount price or organize an event, you will have to collaborate with your team to achieve the goal. With feeds in the Zoho CRM mobile app, you can post messages in feeds to share it with the users in your organization, post messages in a group to share it with the members, mention a user, role, or a group in your status messages. Also, all the business's inventory can be managed from within the app as well. Sales reps can send out sales orders, purchase orders, quotes, and invoices right from the app. Now that you are familiar with the features and the settings in the records listing screen, let's take a look into the Zoho CRM app's master settings. You can open the settings of the CRM app from the modules listing screen. You can adjust and configure the following settings. Change theme. The color theme of the mobile app can be changed to the color that suits your taste. You can select the device theme option to dynamically change the theme based on the device's theme. That is, if your mobile device is in dark mode, the CRM app will automatically change its theme to the dark theme. Module specific settings. You can also access the module specific settings of all the modules such as leads, contacts, accounts, etc. from a single place. This allows you to easily access the module settings of all the modules of the CRM. Change font. You can modify the font of the CRM app as per your requirement. Calendar. You can configure the calendar strip option that is on the home screen of the app. By tapping the week starts on option, you can select the day on which the week starts on in your organization. Calls. As I mentioned earlier, you can initiate phone calls from the CRM mobile app. And in order to log the call duration or the call information, you will have to enable the call logging option in the CRM app settings. You can also initiate phone calls from your phone using different applications such as FaceTime, Skype, or the default telephone app by tapping the Place Calls Using option. Auto Call Log. Enabling this option allows you to log the outgoing calls automatically. Log Prompt. Upon enabling this option, you will be prompted to log the outgoing calls once it is completed. Display Name Order. This option determines the order in which you want the record names to be arranged in the records listing screen. Mail Composer. You can use this option to select the app with which you'd like to send emails from the application. By default, Zoho Mail will be the email composer on the CRM app. Smart View. Smart View is a mobile-friendly view that is available for all the modules on the CRM app. When you enable Smart View for these screens, the fields that you have set as mandatory on the web and the fields that you have filled in and the system-defined fields will show up within the Smart View of the CRM app. This helps you to avoid clutter. Show Related tab by default. Enabling this option will take you directly to the Related tab as in when you open up a record. If this option is disabled, it will take you to the Details tab of the record. Privacy and Security. You can enable privacy options like setting up a passcode for the CRM app from within the settings, etc. I will just run you through the key settings in this section. Passcode Lock. Enabling the passcode lock will prevent any unauthorized access to the CRM app. You will be prompted to enter a code to gain access to the app if the passcode lock is enabled. Push Notifications. Upon enabling push notifications, the user will receive notification on the CRM app for scenarios like task reminders, email, etc. The CRM app pushes notifications through Apple servers. Caller ID. Enabling this option will let you know as and when a lead or a contact calls you. The caller ID feature is an iOS specific feature and is available only on the iOS app. Text Copy. Enabling this option will allow the mobile device's clipboard to copy and paste contents from the CRM app to other apps. Map Settings. Using this option, you can select the app in which you want to plot the records. Submit Feedback. You can share your thoughts, suggestions, and feedback via this option, and it will be directly received by our support team, who will get back to you with regard to your feedback. Reset App. The Reset App option downloads the records afresh from the web to the mobile app. Reset and Erase removes the configured preferences and customizations and downloads all the data afresh. As mentioned earlier, all the demonstrations in this video are carried out in the iOS version of the CRM app. Most of the settings and the features are available in the Android version of the CRM app except for the iOS specific features. There will be minor differences in the button placements in the Android CRM app. We have also posted the links to download the CRM app from the respective stores. That's it for this video. If you have any questions that is related to the CRM mobile app, you can write to crm@zohomobile.com and we'll get back to you. Thank you.